We got you guys today a wide body 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 Hemi. I love Hemi, man. I gotta give me a Hemi. Anyways, factory converters there and there. Then X pipes into a factory X pipe 2.5 all the way back. And then he saw our videos and said, I gotta get these. So he purchased the CARVENs there and there. Then it's got the factory valves there and there. They open up one at a certain RPM. Then he brought his own tips. They were 5-inch black. There's the part number. We'll get you guys a link in the description for them. 3-inch in, 5-inch out, there and there. And with a rear delete and a mid delete. There they are right there. That's what it looks like after. Really beautiful. Look at that stance on the wide body, man. It's so sexy. I love it. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better.